Welcome back to Top Tier Trivia, your source for the odd and unusual. During World War I, Britain tried using seagulls to spot German submarines. They trained the birds to associate periscopes with food, hoping they'd fly over submerged subs. Despite efforts by the military board, the seagulls were too wild to control effectively. Still, an admiral suggested training the birds to poop on periscopes to obscure visibility. The US military also considered a similar plan, but abandoned the idea. Seagulls, known for their resourcefulness, chose food over aiding the war effort. Their clever antics showed loyalty to their stomachs rather than military duty. Ultimately, the seagulls' love for easy meals prevailed, highlighting their nature to prioritize personal gain over wartime strategies.